What's hood? PM gang, man. Just got off work, man. It's a long ass day. These mosquitoes had a buffet on me, man. They was just fucking me up all day today. But anyways, man, just got off work. Just got this package in the mail. And I should have had this review out for y'all like at least a month or two ago. But FedEx hate my guts. FedEx service is terrible. Fuck FedEx, you know, all that shit. But anyways, man, it's raining right now. I don't want to record and drive. So, see y'all in a little bit, man. What's hood? Just picked up that young package, man. It's secure thanks to UPS. You feel me? UPS always come through. UPS always come through. FedEx, man, I don't know. Y'all need to do better. Try hard or something. FedEx suck. UPS always coming through. Anyways, man, it only rained for a little bit, so I'm finna go ahead and shoot to the crib and give y'all this review that should have been out months ago. Yes, sir, man. Just got in the crib with that package, man. It was a long day today. Almost lost. Actually, we lost a lot of sunlight. It's no sunlight outside. It's kind of, it ain't late, but it's kind of dark outside. But anyways, man, gonna go to this dark little tunnel, hit to this shoe room, man, let y'all see what I just got, man. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker unboxing for y'all today, man. Fuck FedEx, UPS with the alley-oop. I should have been had this shoe. I got it when it like very first released. I got this shoe when it first released. I got this shoe. But like a month or two ago, I should have had this shoe. FedEx lost my package. Say they dropped it off. I'm like, how did somebody sign for it if I didn't sign for it? But I'm not finna get into that story. Anyways, man, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And let's get straight into it, man, before I go on a little rant. But yeah, man. And I'm mad because this is a StockX pickup. But I'm not mad because it's a StockX pickup, but I'm mad because I was going on StockX to cancel this bid out. I was going to StockX to cancel this bid out because it's like these are sitting right now. Like you can get these like you can like little like overseas stuff like that. I got these for what? $1.50. StockX. But I guess if you get it for overseas, it's probably gonna be like the same price because these retail to like $130 or something like that. But man, finally got them. Ooh, bling, cloud, bird on the shoe, man. I finally got these ones, man. I should have been had these a while ago, man. Should have been had these a while ago. Oh yeah, they put some nice little suede on these too. We gonna get into that. Let me take all this shit up out of here, motherfucker, bro. Of course, you know it come with the verification on the left. So we're gonna do the review on the right shoe. We're gonna leave this here, and let me get all that full 360 of the shoe. Let me make sure this shit focusing on the shoe because this shit be tripping. Full 360 on the shoe. All the way around. Man, I should have been had this shoe. I should have been had this review out. Been rocking these, all that, man. Yeah, that's it. That's the 360 of the shoe. Now we gonna get into this review, this late review. It don't even matter. Y'all might have seen a lot of reviews on this, but y'all ain't seen one from me. So anyways, man, that was a shout out to me and my kids too. He was like, hey bro, stop apologizing for doing late reviews. Just do this shit. But anyways, man, we're gonna go ahead and get to the toe box. And this leather on the toe box is buttery. Actually, they put some nice little leather on this toe box. This shit buttery as hell. Like for real. This some nice leather they put on here. Mesh right here. This is like a summer shoe. I'm rocking mine all day. I'm wearing mine fire this weekend. But mesh right here on the toe box as well. And then if you go a little up right here, right before you get to the laces, there's some nice suede they put on here. This suede real butter. I still can't believe it's not butter suede on these joints. This is real dope. These is like a low-end designer shoes, like low-key. That's what they look like a low-end designer shoe. But if you can't really tell that this even a Puma. You can't even tell. Like people probably just like, what kind of shoe is that? You can't even tell it's a Puma though. Leather right here. I don't know what's the standard lacing system for this. I'm guessing it's this. So I can't really tell. But you have like the regular rope type laces. Puma on the tongue. The Puma on the tongue. Pull tab. Nice little leather right here on the tongue as well. Mesh behind the laces going all the way up. And we go to the side panel. And this right here is like, what kind of material is this? This feel like foam. Like this right here, this yellow piece feel like foam. Sound like foam too. The Puma symbol is a nice buttery leather. Like they put some real nice leather on this shoe. It smells good too. I'm glad whoever had these and tried these bitches on, bro. I know I stock XB. But yeah, they put some real good leather on these too. And right here, I don't even know what this is for. I guess it's like for like the little contrast in the shoe or whatever. But this is like a little rubber piece that goes on the side. And it's translucent. You can kind of see through it a little bit. The midsole of the shoe, all white midsole. You have hints of black, and this is like, I don't even know what type of blue this is. Powder blue, I guess. And this is like a little rubber cap. These are like, this is foam. This is rubber. This is like a thick rubber. But the rest, this white part is foam. The black part is rubber. This, except this is foam. But the bottom black part is rubber. This is rubber. The heel, Puma, going all the way up to the pull tab. Got some nice buttery suede back here at the top of the heel. Bottom, you have that foam with that little rubber piece right here. And this little rubber piece, for whatever reason, is there. I don't know. And it has like a little cement print. I don't know if you can see it. But this little rubber piece have a cement print going on there. And going to this side of the shoe is just like the opposite side. Besides it not having the Puma symbol going all the way through. So it's the same without the Puma. But these is dope. I wanted these when I first seen them. And I actually supposed to have had them. Been rocking them. But, man, y'all know that story. Outsole, real plain outsole. There's nothing too major about the outsole. All black outsole except this hint of white. Puma right here. that's about it. Like, it's a plain outsole, all rubber outsole. I guess this is for like when you're walking so it can grip. Insole of the shoe, Puma on the insole. Anything special in this one, I doubt it. These is dope. I swear, I know, like, I don't know if my sister don't see this video. Today is Monday, and I dropped the story time. No, today is Tuesday. I dropped the story time today. It should have dropped Monday. The story time should have dropped Monday, but for whatever reason, YouTube wouldn't upload it. So I had to drop it today. This video will probably go out tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So, which is good for me because I got a preview. Oh shit, I gotta edit this part out because I was gonna say pre-order. That shit's so fucking funny. I'm not editing that shit. That shit funny. Like that one little part funny as fuck. But anyways, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We out this jam.